What's going on, team? It's your boy Pit Mob. I'm about to do this Nas breakdown, Nas100 breakdown. I went ahead and deleted all my zones. I'm here with the team lead Pat. Um, I went ahead and deleted all my zones and shit. So we're gonna start from zero, scroll into our monthly time frame, and I want to mark out first level. I want to mark out here is obviously our support. So I want to mark this out here. All right, we got previous wicks here held closed above on this monthly chart. We got candlestick closures above, and then we got wick rejection here once we have a break above this level, pullback, and continuation. And I also want to mark out our highs of this, as we are trading now back above this level. We look left, rejected, closed below, she pushed, came back, rejected the same level, and now she completely closed. We have a monthly candlestick closed above that level. So this is gonna be my next founding level of support. Now I'm looking for price to hold this level, right? Make sure hold this level. If I want to target these last monthly highs, monthly supply level I have up here. Let me move my camera real quick, and this is gonna be the same monthly supply level I've had for the last, I don't know how many months. So it's gonna be at 16,369. And then my next founding level of support is gonna be at 15,790. I'm gonna look for price to keep holding above this zone, because if we come trade under, then I can take advantage of the retracement. We're still bullish, very bullish trend, so I can take advantage of this retracement just for intraday play. But I do want to take this level and go ahead and write monthly level and slash supply. And then monthly demand here. Now let's go into our weekly, where things start to get prettier. All right, so as we can see, that level we have, maybe going into our weekly, we can, you look left, we can even box this area out here, so we can see rejection, break above, hold, closes under, she pushes, comes back to that same zone, rejects. She holds above, as we did, we look left, she holds above. Every time she's trading in between this area and this area, so your monthly high supply and then your monthly new founding level of demand, she bounces up from this area. So this is what I'm going to be looking for retracement to, and see if this level holds to then catch longs all the way to the monthly high. So I'm gonna leave this box here. This is gonna be my box. As we can see, we have rejections here, 2 wick rejections. At this level, we have 3 candlesticks on the weekly rejecting that zone. We finally have a close above, and she pushed. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this as a weekly as well. Weekly, like that there. Change that to the right side. We're gonna put on the right side. And let's see if I can also mark out. We have a fair value gap here that would be interesting if we come grab liquidity from here and then continue to push up. So I'm gonna go ahead and write this. I don't normally trade these, but just gonna write it down so I'm aware if price comes back into this range. And she's so relatively bullish that she can literally pull back a little bit in the morning and then start shooting back up to these monthly highs, which I wouldn't be surprised if she does that. She's extremely bullish. So let's grab, I got my fair value, got my weekly demand. Let's go into our daily. As we can see, I love how this level was corresponding. We came here, created a double top formation. She pushed down, came back, created another double top formation, pushed down from that zone. And now we are trading back above, creating higher highs and higher lows. Now, this area here on the daily is what I want to talk about. Let's zoom in to this area, and Pat, I don't know if you see the same thing. My fault to bring you into this breakdown, but look at this range. You see the range we're trading in? So basically what I'm looking for is a price, because now we can see, we count, these are all daily candlesticks, right? So we count the number of candlesticks we have: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 2 weeks of trading that we've been in this range. So yes, we can capitalize from zone to zone, right? But if you literally pay attention, we've been wicking, pushing up to these highs. We pushed as high as 16,157, right? But we're still in this range of 16,070. So we're in this range from here to all the way. We have a founding level at 15,805. So if I was to draw a ceiling and a floor level, these will be my levels, right? So as you can see, price came here, left the wick rejection, closed under. Once she had a full body stick closure above, she pushed, closed right at 16,070 area, and then she pushed right back here, closed back above this 15.9 area, push back up, close back in that range. Next candlestick, push back down, close back in that range. Same one for this one, and same for these two candlesticks. So that tells me that price is literally consolidating in this area, and we've been here for quite some time. So I want to see price break out of this range and hold it, maybe have a full candlestick closure on the higher time frames, like the daily chart or the 4 hour. We're gonna step into that 4 hour and see what type of ranges we've been on the 4 hours, but at the daily, I can see that these levels are being highly respected. So I want to see these levels get broken either to the upside, right? Or we want to see this level get rejected and push back down to the downside, in which I'm not looking for shorts, right? At any moment until this founding monthly demand, right? We have a monthly demand and a weekly correlating this box. So all this is a demand zone. It's a new founding level of demand. So every time price is coming into here, I'm going to be looking for longs, for buys. Once price comes close under this range here, that's when I'm going to be interested in shorting Nas. But as of right now, we're extremely bullish. So I'm looking for long positions, but I'm looking for Nas to trade outside of this range. So I'm going to leave this range here. All right, we're going to write ceiling level, just so I know that's my ceiling, and then we have a floor level. So I already know this is going to be my floor level. I need to see price break above one of these ranges before taking a trade, and then we can also intraday trades in between, right? So I can capitalize from zone to zone as long as I'm catching longs off this level and catching shorts off this level. So I'm catching longs off my floor level, catching shorts off my ceiling level, until we break out of one another. So I hate, trading in the consolidated zone, but if I can see the opportunity present itself, I'm gonna take it. Let's step into our 4 hour, and then as you can see, I pretty much explained that the 4 hour is going to be correlating with our daily zone. So you can see a little better here because it's more candlesticks. So you can see price pushed up into the zone, rejected, bounce from this zone, rejected this zone, bounce from this zone, rejected this, bounce, came up, did a fake out, came traded right back in that zone, and guess what she did? Came back to retest and a continuation. Faked out the bottom side, came back in here, look what she did. Retest and a continuation. So as the price is literally telling me she's trading in between these two zones. And once we get a full breakout out of one of these zones, that's when I'm going to be capitalizing on these trades. And we can watch out for these fake outs. We've been getting faked out left and right, so we have to watch out. Maybe wait for that daily candlestick closure, because we can see here on the daily, this is all just manipulation, and we do come close back in this range. So once we do get that full closure below, we'll get a more clear direction of market, where the market is headed. Until now, like I said, we're going to be capitalizing off these two zones, and pretty much I'm excited to see what this week's got ahead. I do got some exciting news coming up. So I'm going to be writing on the Discord. So being by tonight I'll drop those news. So it's gonna be cool. And so yeah, I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna stop recording this, and then I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Well, that was some sauce on that consolidation zone, bro. Honestly.
Hold on, bro. Let me stop recording. I think I'm gonna have to do this, man. Oh, hey.